thutha wa Court of Appeal gukorwo ikiuga ati majaji aria makorirwo magitua cira wa impeachment ya Rigathi Gachagua matiaheirwo wira ucio kuringana na watho, kuona ati mandikirwo kana maritwa mao mendekithirio ni Deputy Chief Justice na kiwatho mafati gukorwo makiendekithio ni Chief Justice mwenyewe. Ne kuonania ati maundu macio mothe ma happened from that point ne illegal. Koguo kuonania the impeachment of Rigathi Gachagua was illegal. So meaning that the swearing in of the current Deputy President Kithure Kindiki was illegal. Na umuthi nitwarikia kuona Ndegwa Njiru uria ni wakiri wa Rigathi Gachagua akiyumiria na gukorwo agitheria maundu maya na akiuga uria gufati gukorwo gugithii na mbere thaa ici. Nerikite gukorwo akiuga ati kumanagia na thaa ici Rigathi Gachagua afatia gukorwo agicokerio security yake na kila kindu kiria ahuthagira kana all resources of power that he was having as a deputy president afatia gukorwo agicokerio. Na Deputy President Kithure Kindiki, in fact right now he's not the Deputy President.
That just to mention that pursuant the Court of Appeal decision, just to mention, following the ruling by the Court of Appeal, Mr. Kindiki cannot resign from that which is not there. What he needs to do is to get out of office. And number two, until the petitions that are pending in court are determined by a competent, well-constituted bench by the Chief Justice as directed by the Court of Appeal, His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua must be accorded the privileges and the protection that is contemplated by the Constitution befitting a deputy president. That is to say, his security must be reinstated. That is to say, the privileges that accrues with the office of the deputy president must be accorded to His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua. That is to say, the orders that were given by the High Court in Kirinyaga and the High Court sitting in Nairobi are still in force. Therefore, those imposters purporting to hold the office of the deputy president, the persons impersonating the office of the deputy president are holding that office illegally and unconstitutionally. And when we take over government, coming 2027, with His Excellency Dr. Kalonzo Musyoka leading, we shall take those individuals to account for the actions they took while they were illegally performing the functions of a deputy president.
Ni uhoro drona ugukorwo ugituthura ndereti mwenene muno, especially wiki ino irajia tondu Gachagua ni gukorwo akilaunch kiama giake on 15th of May, and all these stories happening right now. This is going to be an interesting week in the corridors of politics. We will be expecting to see what Kiria Gachagua gukorwo akiuga wegi uhoro ucio, the mobilization of the party itself, how the party is going to affect the ruling party right now, maundu macio mothe combined, considering the fact that thaici igoti ryenyewe ni rituite ati Gachagua arutirwo hau mugaru na watho. I can't wait to see how things are going to turn out. Iyo igukoro bargaining bargaining point imwe nene muno ya Gachagua kuri a Kenya. Anyway, let's wait and see how things are going to go on until that time of launching the party. In the meantime, diwe maoni maku megie miario ya Ndegwa Njiru egie uhoro ucio wa Rigathi Gachagua. You can comment on there and tell us what you think about that story.
Na tunasema we'll agree. Kama ni mimi au wengine wote wataniunga mkono. Ikisemekana si mimi ni Kalonzo, sisi yote tutamunga mkono. Ikisemekana si mimi si Kalonzo ni Wamalwa, sisi yote tutamunga mkono. Isiposemekana ikiwa sisi yote ni Martha Karua, sisi yote tutamunga mkono. Ikisemekana sisi yote ni Matiang'i, sisi tutamunga mkono. Bora tutoe one. Hapo mko tayari? Mtu mmoja peke yake. Na hao wanaomba Mungu atitukosane. na nyinyi muombe Mungu tukae pamoja. Munaona kama Mungu atasikiza nani? Mungu atasikiza nani? Mtatuombea? Mtuombee tukae pamoja, so that we restore this country, we liberate this country. We have a job to do. Na mimi niseme huko Kirima, andũ a Kirima mwe guko, mũndũ ũcio guku ndakanone nginya agent thĩinĩ wa Gĩtuo akũrũgamĩrĩra kura ciake. Nĩguo nĩ mũgokĩra tene thaa cigana? Thaa cigana? Tondũ ithuĩ nĩ ithuĩ tũikaragĩria mũndũ gĩtĩ, na no ithuĩ tũkamwĩra ake atĩa? Mũrenda athiĩ na mbere gũikarĩra kana okĩrĩrie? Koguo njuge atĩrĩrĩ andũ aitũ, mũndũ ũcio ndagatũkue wana, nĩ atũhenirie. No atũhenirie rita rĩa kerĩ, no tũcokie karara karũmĩirwo. Andũ aitũ ngĩtahĩka we no ũrĩa matahĩko. Koguo ararehe mbeca cia boda boda, inyuĩ kana cia boda mũrĩe mbeca icio. Ararehe cia mama mboga mũrĩe mbeca icio. Njogu ndĩgathikwo na kĩ? Na mũguongo, tondũ ũguo nĩguo andũ agĩ maikaraga. Koguo niĩ njuge nĩ twakena mũno, kwenda gũkĩria hau kĩama gitũ rĩu gĩtayarĩ, tondũ mahĩtia marĩa twekire nĩ gũthiĩ ũhiki na ngari yake yene. Rĩu ngari itũ ĩ tayari, inyuĩ mwĩ tayari? So hii wiki hii nitazindua chama chetu cha kisiasa, na baadaye tutafanya sherehe kubwa sana ya launch. Mtakuja? Na hiyo chama ndio yetu. Tunajua huyu Ruto amepanga chama dogo dogo, mahuilubaru ya blue, ingine ya green, iko ile yake ya yellow. Ametengeneza mahuilubaru mingi sana, hata atajaribu kusimamisha tu marais huko hapa kwa mlima ati ndio agawagae kura yetu. Turamuonera 18. Sisi hatuwezi kubali, huwezi gawa sisi. Chama watu wanajua chama yao na candidate wao watajua. So wewe ukileta candidates wagawe kura zetu, tunakujua na tunakuonea mbali. Kwa hivyo mimi sitaki nipite kutoka hapo. Mnataka Mama Boys amsalimie? Kuja Mama Gachagua.
Bwana asifiwe. Bwana asifiwe.